Hi, Scentsy friends! I'm so excited to have you back on here because today I get to share with you our brand new harvest collection for 2018. You guys, if you are not in the fall spirit quite yet, I promise this catalog is gonna make you jump right in it. So let's take a look. Let's see what we have. Page 1. Take a peek at this gorgeous warmer. Pick up the patch. It is an element warmer, meaning no bulb needed. It tells you right here it comes apart, so the top and the bottom will detach, and that is the little dish where you put your wax. So how cute is that? And it comes with these beautiful fall leaves. Oh, I love it. It makes it so much more natural, right? Love it. Then next door we have what's displayed in the cover as well. This stunning brand new warmer Give Thanks milk can. How adorable is this, you guys? This kind of reminds me of Rustic Jack, which is the warmer of the month for September 2018. And I say that because it does have that rustic kind of older vintage look. So I don't know, I'm just kind of a sucker for those type of warmers, for that rustic look. And then look at the details. I mean, that beautiful grade. I love the fact that the light shines right through it. And then come on, can we talk about this Give Thanks right here? Oh, so pretty, perfect for Halloween. Moving on, we have Rustic Pumpkin. This warmer right here takes a 20-watt bulb. So pretty. Again, you guys, look at the details. I love that they took the extra time to kind of decorate it with those beautiful leaves that get the extra like real pumpkin look. I love it, love it, love it. And I love the fact that they actually show you exactly where the wax goes. Next door we have Hello Fall. This is also one of the warmers that was displayed in the cover. Now here it's displayed as it comes. So this is one of our nightlight warmers. So once you get one of our nightlight warmers, will come with this base right here. But if I go back to the top real quick, I want to show you the tabletop vase. So this is now an option, you guys. I love it because for the ones of us that don't necessarily want to plug the mini warmer into the wall, now we have the option to use a tabletop base, whether it's ceramic or glass. You can contact me and I'll be able to tell you, because you have to pick the right base depending on the mini warmer you got. The base itself is $15. And this allows you to put your mini warmer into that tiny little space without having to necessarily plug it straight into the wall. So I love it, love it, love it. All right, let's take a look at what else. It is almost Halloween, you guys. So here we have Spooky. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Spooky is also an element warmer, so the wax goes right here. So again, the top and the bottom will separate. Next door to it, we have Spooky House. Again, one of our mini warmers. Super cute. Love it. I bet this one will probably display a lot of light in your room, so it's really cool. It kind of adds up to the spookiness for Halloween. Then we have Dearly Departed. This is also a mini warmer. Take a look at the details, you guys. That little crack right there in the eye socket. I mean, that's kind of creepy, isn't it? Perfect for Halloween. And again, this one is ceramic and it's $20. G right here stands for glow. So that tells me that it might be glowing in the dark. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. But how cool would that be? And then next door we have the Raven wrap. So this is really cool, you guys. You actually have a couple of different choices. So what you see here displayed is the Edge Core Warmer. So this beautiful white warmer, you can buy it as is for I believe it's $35 or $40. So it can actually be used all year round, but during the holidays you actually can pick a specific wrap that makes it more holiday-like, right? So right here we display the Raven wrap, and again you can get both of them together for $48, or you can get the wrap only for $18. And again, once the holiday is over, you can remove the wrap and you are left with the stunning edge core warmer that really suits many different styles of decorations that you might have going on. After this, we have the sweetest season. Look at our body line. Oh, apple and cinnamon sticks. Seriously, that is one of my favorite scent for the new fall and winter season. So I'm really excited about these guys. And we have the hand soap and the lotion. The cool thing about it, and it's that just for the holidays, they made it into a bundle, so we get to save some money right there. So you get both of these beauties for $17. Or you can pick a different fragrance because not everybody likes, cinnamon and spice. So this is a little bit more onto the pumpkin and apple spice type of family. But if you don't like the spice part, you still want to get a hint of the pumpkin, here is your other option, Farm Stand Pumpkin. So cool. $17 on this one too. Caramel, you guys. Yum, yum, yum. And then here we have, Vlad the Bat Buddy Clip. $15. Look how cute he is. Oh, look at that girl's face. She's so excited. So if you're ready to make your little one very happy and excited this Halloween season, now is the time to snatch this little guy. And then right below we have Lenny the Lamb that's here. He's been a little model, so he's actually showing you one of the body clothing styles that we have. Perfect for Halloween. I actually bought this one for my daughter last year. And I'm not lying if I tell you that Lenny the Lamb probably wore this dress all year round, not just for Halloween. It is super adorable. Lenny's available all year round, so you don't have to worry about him going on back order. It is our buddy mascot, so it's always going to be around. And the pumpkin body clothing is only $10. And let me tell you, the quality of that little clothing piece, pretty dang good. And then last but not least, we obviously have our amazing oils. We can never finish a catalog without, speaking and talking about our oils. So here we have a special collection, the Harvest Oil 3-pack for $18, and it contains 3 very Halloweenish oils just for the occasion. We have Happy Hunting, Love at First Bite, and Purple Potion. Look, guys, it comes in this cute little container. Look at them. So cute. And you can snatch these guys for $18. So I hope this was helpful, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments below. And if you'd like to follow me, just subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you really soon. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.